Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is season 3 of this H2B program, and I just want to come and start off the vlog, start off the new series. I am still here in J Peak, but you know, it's a transition. And in this video, you will be seeing how I get ready and prepare to leave. I will have packing in this video, preparing. Yeah, I did my nails this morning, and I kind of did a little, recording kind of thing. I'm going to do my hair. It's the reason why my hair is like this, and you're gonna see the final, like, people leaving this morning. Ashley left. You're gonna see all of that in this video, but I just want to come and start off this vlog. Now, if you've been rocking with me from day one, big up your nice clean self, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and family, and tell me what you want to see on this channel. Like, what do you want to see? Do you want to see something else, or do you want to see something more? And I don't know what to expect. Where I'm going, it's a new location, and I've never been to that state before, so it's a new journey. But I've heard a lot of good things about the state. I don't know about the work itself, but I heard that the state is a very cool state, a very nice state, and yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, I must say that here in Vermont was like one of my best experience on program. I've been on J1 before, and this reminds me of when I was in Wisconsin, and I had a good time because the people, yeah, right? And right now is the people. So like, I still have friends from the first time I came on the program, and now I hope that all of us stay connected. We have a group, so I hope we stay, connected. We talk, and then we can link up back again, and then you can see them on my channel. What I do like about this group is like they take so much out of me, right? Because what I mean, like, I am a shy person, and as much as I come around the camera and I want to vlog and all these stuff, like, if I am in a group of people, I'm not going to take out my camera, right? But them, they be like, you're not vlogging, like, you need to get this. Like, from my roommate to the person I'm working with, like, they always forcing me to, hey, take out your camera and vlog, let's do this, let's do that. And I appreciate it, and it's the reason why I have so much content. And some days are probably boring, and it's not because of them, it's because of me, but I appreciate them for that and allowing me to come out of my shell and being myself around them. So I love that, and big up to you, Ashley, if you're watching this. Big up to you. You have been one of the best co-worker, like, best person. Like, me not tolerate people so easy, right? But Ashley, there are days when we go to work and we're not in the talking mood, and we just get each other. Like, there are days when we go at work and we just need to look at each other and we just get what we're saying. Like, Ashley is that kind of girl. Like, yeah, stay connected. Like, everybody have their ways, me have my ways and whatever, but it's like I see my younger self in Ashley, and for that I love her, you understand? So big up yourself, Ashley. We'll see you again, and I'm sure these people are going to miss you just like how they miss Jody, but I hope we keep the link, right? This is the first time since on program I save people number. It's not that I never want to, it's just like I just never see the need, because I know that it's only a season, things gonna pass. But this time around I save people number, and like I have this kind of connection with them, and I'm just so happy that I had this experience. I'm glad the day when Roxanne said, listen, we're not gonna go to Florida because this and that and that, and we came here and it was good. I'm not gonna lie, it have its down, but I had a time and you guys saw it, and I appreciate. Would I come back here? It depends on what position they offer me. Like, if they ask me to come back for housekeeping, or if it is that is the last option and the housekeeping position is better than what I would get somewhere else, then yes, I will come back, because the housing is nice. you don't have to spend a lot of money because everything is far, right? They provide shuttle for you to go around the resort. They provide shuttle for you to go to Walmart. So it is good in that sense. But as it relates to like working and the money, no, I wouldn't come back for that. But if everybody else was coming, best believe I don't care about the money, I'll be coming back. But you had a time, and I just want to welcome you to a new season, and I pray that this season is even better, and I pray that everything that you guys want to accomplish will come through. Like all those who want to come on the program, all those who are living through my channel, I pray that you will come and experience that. And everyone that was here and venture off into different location, I pray that this season will bring you more money, because listen, the struggle is real. I pray not only double, but 4 times and more. A matter of fact, 5 times the amount you used to get here. That is what I pray that you get at the next season. And it may seem unrealistic, but listen, nothing is impossible for God, and that is what we're holding on. That is what we're standing. Like, listen, remember, if you don't remember in a J1 days, me talk say, I want to make this X amount, and then they used to laugh after me. They used to laugh after me, and guess what? I made that amount, and this season, I keep on saying year. This season, I'm going to set a goal, and I am going to pray on it, and I'm going to hope that, listen, I'm going to save this much or more, and I'm just holding on to it, and I'll let you know at the end of the season if I did save that much. But I am so happy, and yeah, let's get into the video. As I said, I want to show you how I pack, how I get ready, and this video is going to be a little bit longer, maybe long, yeah, a little bit long, but we're going to go into normal courses. Yes, so stay tuned for the rest of the season, and this is episode 1, and I'll catch you around in this video. Yeah. So big up on the nice clean self, Narja, Shamika, Anna, may I call out everybody, Dilly, Maureen, right, Maline, Patrick, Adama, Antonio, Shaquille, Ashley, of course. Now I left out Ashley, right? Like everybody that was here that made my time, big up on the clean self. Everybody I come in contact with, big up on the nice clean self, and I thank you. But yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So I need to pack. I've been putting off that for a very long time, but I need to pack, because if I don't pack, I'm going to be rushing, and then yeah, it's going to be a struggle, because I have to get maybe a security or stuff to help me to ship the box, because yeah, just know that I need to pack. And I feel like this is going to be the series of packing and moving. Alright, we're going to start a new series, and this is me packing, and I'm going to show you. If you're new here, subscribe. Let's go on this H2B journey together. Okay, subscribe. So listen, I am almost in my 3 year, so I have a lot of stuff. I buy a lot of stuff, and I get stuff. You understand? So I have a lot of stuff, and I have 2 big boxes. If you've been following me from Virginia or wherever, from Mandarin, because I ship a box from Mandarin. So I have a lot of stuff. So yeah. So I have 2 big boxes. I got that from Walmart. Matter of fact, before, let me just go for, hold on. This is my process. So before I go into the whole packing thing, I'm going to tell you my process, because someone was asking me and I had to voice note her. So if you have stuff like me, a lot of stuff, even if you have half the amount, and you don't want to travel with a lot of stuff like going through the airport, you don't want to carry a lot of suitcase, like if you want to travel light, I like to travel light. And unfortunately I cannot travel light anymore, because I have 2 suitcases and a carry-on, and I have to ship like 2 boxes. So when I was coming here, I shipped 2 boxes. Yeah, I shipped 2 boxes. So this is what you need to get from Walmart if you want to ship stuff. Right. So first of all, you have to decide the size box you want. So you have medium, large, and small. Right. So I take the two big boxes because I have a lot of stuff. Right. And you need the box. You need film wrap, like plastic wrap. And the reason why you need that is because you want to wrap the box. I learned the hard way, and each time I ship the box, I don't know, this is my third time, and it's the first time I'm buying film wrap, right? Which is the plastic wrap. Each time I send the box rip apart because they're not gonna take time with their stuff. Not only that, I have stuff damaged because they're throwing the boxes all over. When it comes like the rice that was in their burst, my rice cooker, not rice, my air fryer broken. I had to throw that away. Yeah, so when you wrap it, it keeps everything intact so that it doesn't tear, right? So that is that, and you don't lose anything because when the box rip apart, stuff fall out. And when that happens though, the person that's bringing it always tape it and so forth, but just to secure it and to save you from all that trouble and to save them from all that trouble, film wrap the box. Right, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Yeah, so stay for the rest of the video. All right. So you have the box, you have the film wrap, you need tape. Obviously, you're going to need tape. It would be nice if you have paper to put on the thing after you film wrap it, because even if you write on the film wrap, it's going to erase. You're going to need that if you're sending it through the post office. But if you're going to use an online service like maybe DHL or USPS or UPS, right, they always give you the printout so you can paste that down there. But just in case you're not using that service, then you'll need a paper. You need markers, of course. And then you also need the suction bags, the compress bag. You don't need it, but if you want more space, yeah, it's best to buy the compress bag. So this is what you need. You need the box, you need the tape, you need a compress bag, and you need film wrap, and that's basically it. Alright, and paper if you need the paper. So that is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you how I do it. You have to know where you're going. Well, obviously, when you know where you're going, so if you're going to winter place, like a cold, very chilly place, or you're going to a more tropical place, you're gonna pack the box accordingly. Now, for those who's coming from the winter place and you're going into the tropical place, if you're going to have two boxes or you're going to compress the bags, I would say to put all your winter stuff in the compressed bag in a separate in a different bag, and then your summer clothes in a different bag. So when you reach, you don't have to pull out everything. You understand? Because unlike here, we have a lot of space, right? Where I'm going, I may not have all. I'm not going to have all of this space. So if I compress like my winter stuff separately, I don't have to pull it. I can leave that until the next time I travel. Right now, I have my summer stuff in compressed bag. Even though I pull it, it's in a separate bag. I don't need to pull that out. Do you understand? So when you do that, it eliminates you from stressing and from trying to find this and so forth. Now, if you're going to travel with pots and pillows and all those stuff, you can probably put them in one box. So you know that you're going to need those when you reach, right? For the other, well, that's if you're traveling, if you're packing two boxes. I am going to pack two. If you're packing one, just do the whole separate film wrap and all those stuff. No, like for me, I'm going to have one box that I don't really need, the stuff that I don't really need, and then the other box now is for stuff that I'm going to use on a daily. Right? I'm going to try my best to put as much as possible in the boxes, because the last time I was almost overweight because my Bible is heavy and I had to take my Bible out and put it in my carry-on and all those stuff. Just the Bible alone weighed 2 pounds. Understand? So I'm gonna try my best to pack everything in the box, whether it be like seasoning. I don't even have much of that. I stopped buying stuff from a long while. No, your digital stuff. So say for instance, you have your camera, you have laptops and those stuff. Don't put it in the box. You'll put that in your carry-on or your suitcase if you want to put it in your suitcase. Alright, so that is that. Now I am traveling with sheet and my pillows because I bought those pillows and I'm traveling, so I'm just gonna compress those stuff and put it in the boxes. Likewise my blanket. Now I always travel with these, and I may just put like one set of sheet in my suitcase just in case the box doesn't reach in time. Because every time I go somewhere, I always try to bring my own sheet, because even though the place may look clean or whatever, if you do housekeeping, you know the ropes go. You understand? And I have very sensitive skin, so I try to bring my own sheet. So that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and tape up the box and probably organize stuff, decide what I need to leave out to put in the suitcase and all those stuff. The place is going to be messy for probably today into tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned for that. This is the first journey in packing. First one down, my big jacket. Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming with a force, yes. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah, yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall. Alright guys, so right now I'm not going to pack the box today. What I'm going to focus on is sorting my clothes, putting them in summer and winter clothes, and then I'm going to compress them. So today the focus is on getting all of these clothes packed away so that I can put them either in the suitcase or in the box, because you see I have a lot of clothes and I just need to get the clothes out of the way. Then tomorrow I can either focus on my gadgets and face products, like my body products, you understand? I can focus on that, and then my kitchen stuff and so forth. So today is just focusing on the clothes, compressing them, getting that out of the way, because I feel like the clothes is the most tedious part because I have so much. And then yeah, and as I told you before, separating them and segregating them so that they can go in their different boxes, and the suitcase, what I'm going to bring in the suitcase, that is what I'm focusing on. So yeah, my clothes, I already took them out of the drawer, and then I have some left behind. Those are made to throw away, but I'm going to need clothes for the few days that I'm here, obviously. So that's what I'm going to do right now. If the lighting is bad, yeah, the lighting inside is bad. I have my TikTok light using. Hopefully it is good. And I'm just going to go and do that. Good morning guys. So this is day 2 of packing. So I already bagged up most of my clothes. I have not sucked out the ears yet. But what I'm going to do, because I need to get stuff in the box, I'm going to get rid of all of these stuff. And the stuff in here. I'm gonna see how best I can pack everything in one box as it relates to like these stuff that have my things in it, because I think I may need them, especially the thing that you saw me build. I will show you on the screen. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and get all those stuff, the stuff in the bathroom. I don't really have a lot of stuff in the bedroom, just the sheets and so forth, because I want to see how much I can pack in the box. I think I'm going to leave the pots. I'm not going to even worry about the pots and stuff and so forth. I just want to pack the important stuff, the things that I need in the box. Like my rice cooker and my egg cooker, because I don't know if I may need them, and I don't want to go there and then I'm going to need it and then I have to buy. Yeah, so I'm just going to pack those stuff today, and my hangers. Yes, I'm going to pack those stuff in the box and then seal it and see if I can go online and pay for it so I can ship it off. I'm going to collect my refund today, my deposit today. So I'm going to find out how best I can get the boxes to the place for them to ship it off, because unlike Virginia, not when I was in Virginia, they would come to the house and pick it up, but here I don't think they can do that. They have to go to the office. I have until 10 o'clock to get some of these stuff packed, because I need to go and pick up my deposit that I said previously. So I'm going to see how much I can do in this time. So I think it is 7:58, basically 8 o'clock. So I have like 2 hours, and even if I finish 10 o'clock, you know, I can get there because it's 10 until 12. She's processing the refund, so I have enough time. So I'm just going to see how much I can do in this time and put stuff in the box. And then after this I need to edit my vlog, because today is Friday and I need to post it tomorrow. So that is it for today. I have a lot of things doing today, and I think I may cook. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Alright, so right now I think I took down everything that I need to take down. I have to bear in mind that I'm going to be here for 3 more days. Today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to be here like a full 2 more days. Alright, so I need to ensure that I have stuff that I need, especially because I'm going to do my hair and all those stuff. I need my comb, my flat iron and all that, my toothbrush. So I leave those, and right now I'm going to organize stuff. So I'm going to take down this to put in the box. I'm going to put the containers in each other, and then I also have like Ziploc bag to put stuff in, like my combs, like my hair stuff. I put that in one bag, and then I have my facial, put that in one bag, and hair products and stuff for put that in one Ziploc bag. And then my gadgets, I'm not gonna put any gadgets in there, but I do have like my cards and those stuff. I put that in one bag. So I think I may use this for the ear product. So I'm gonna put the ear product in this because I have a lot of ear products. And then the boxes, like the boxes like this and these stuff, I put it in the bottom of the box. And yes, I'm just gonna get to do that, so you guys can watch me. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna see if I can throw away whatever I need to throw away. So whatever I don't need, I'm gonna throw it away. So this is what I was talking about. I'm just going to pull this down because you never know if you're going to need it. I'm going to bring this with me. If I got it on, I think it was Shein. So if anything, oh god, I can throw it away. But for now, let's bring it because we might need it.
Yes, baby, we've been too strong for too long, and I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, 'cause I can't stay without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you knows just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby.
Alright, so this is how the place is looking. This is how much stuff I have. I have to vacuum seal those and put it in the box, 2 suitcases, and I carry on that. And I really want to bring my blanket and my my pillows. Yeah, I really want to bring my 2 pillows and the blanket because I bought those in here, so kind of clean out. But I have shoes there, and I have shoes up there. This is the stuff that I'm going to throw away along with some of those stuff and maybe more. But yeah, this is how it is. This is how it is. I'm going to vacuum seal now. So here's a vacuum. and I'm going to do that and see how far I am, because I'm stressed out.
You already know the answer. Still, I wanna ask you, would you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up. Well, neither would I. Baby, my love is only up and up. I'll be faithful. I'm for real. And without you, no way, no, the deal. We've been too long, too long. Baby, I'll be waiting up until you get home. 'Cause I can't stay without you, baby. If anybody knows that I'm in love, you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah. See, this is real talk. Come on, always stay. No matter what, good or bad, thick and thin, right or wrong, all day, every day. Now if you're down on love or don't believe this ain't for you, no, this ain't for you. And if you get it deep in your heart and deep down you know that it's true, come on. Well, let me see you put your hands up. Hands up, fellas, tell your lady she's the one.
So this is one box that's packed. So I'm just going to show you how I wrap this, because I don't want to go back in this. I don't want to touch it because it looked neat already. So I have 3 of the vacuum seal stuff in there. And I think I did it the wrong way, but oh well. I'm going to try to leave out my jeans and my tops. Or should I leave out this one? I have other tops anyway. It would force me to wear something else. So I'm just going to leave this like this, and I'm going to ship it hopefully when I reach the box reach. Because I'm trying to see if I can ship it by now. I don't know. So let's see before we're going to lock this up. Okay? I think I'm doing pretty good, because I have 2 suitcases, and I think I'm going to put one of those, like 3 of those in the suitcase, so I have clothes when I reach along, yeah. And then I need to vacuum seal this still, and then I'm going to have a box full of other stuff. Oh shoot, I have that over there so too. Lord Jesus. And then I have my blanket and my pillows, and I think I want my blanket and my pillows in the suitcase. So I feel like I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I just need to get the majority of the stuff out of the way, and I'll be good. Yeah. So I think I'm happy with how this is packed. So I'm just gonna lock it up so I don't have to go back in there. Anything leave out, just.
She's the one, tell your lady she's the one. Oh, put your hands up. Ladies, let 'em know he's got your love.
Then I'm going to go in with my flame wrap.
He's got your love. Look 'em right in his eyes and tell him we've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. I'll be waiting up until you get home. 'Cause I can't stay without you, baby. With anybody who's ever loved you know just what
Alright, one box down, one more to go. So the reason why I flame wrap it is because when it's shipping, when they're transporting it, they always fling it all over the place, and then when they do that, the box busts, and then things can fly out. And sometimes they will put it back, and well, not sometimes, all the time, when I got it back, they put back the stuff in there and they tape it up. But to help them to eliminate all of those hassles, I flame wrap, and to ensure that my stuff is safe, I flame wrap it. So that's one box, one more to go. Anyway, I just came off the road. I went to collect my deposit and my rent that I paid in advance, because they normally like take 1 month, and then if you leave before the month, they give you back the remaining. So I went to collect that. I think I got around, I think it's 600 or something, nearly $700. I finished the boxes, and now I'm like getting rid of stuff and packing stuff. I think I'm complete. I also went on UPS and I filled out all of that, but I'm gonna do that for you soon, let you see what I did. Yeah, so the place is a mess, it's a complete mess, and I need to go and edit, But I just don't like the place looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like organize stuff. Another important thing that you need to note is that to put all of your important documents one place. So that's what I'm doing. So all of my important documents, I'm going to put them in one place and then put them in the suitcase, and then on my card and all those stuff, I'm going to put those in my purse and then put it in my carry-on to keep those stuff close by. My gadgets will be in my carry-on. So yeah, most of my stuff is in the box. So when I reach, I probably don't have any clothes or anything, but you know, I have to do what I have to do. Yeah, I have shoes left out. Like, I think whatever left can hold in the suitcase. I have my blanket. I already packed my 2 pillow in the box. So yeah, I think we're on a good start. So I just want to come and update you. Another thing that you would need to get is like a scale. Let me tell you, I've had this since 2017 when I was on J1 program, and you would have seen it in the vlog since 2017, and all I did was change the battery once. So I would just put this around the handle of the suitcase and put it on pounds and then lift it up. So right now it's 46. So I have 4 more pounds I can put in there. So I have stuff. If I have any more stuff, I can put it in here. But this really helps because you don't have to worry about when you reach the airport you're overweight or anything. So investing in one of this is very good, and I'm gonna see if I can link it in my Amazon storefront. This I've had this since 2017 and it's been good. I just changed the battery one time and that's it. So this is 46 pounds. Not so heavy. I have a lot of stuff in there, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack that one. That one is not yet full, so if I have any other stuff I can put it in this, like 4 more pounds of stuff. I'm gonna put it in this, and then as I said before, my gadgets will be going into my carry-on. So yeah, I think I'm looking pretty good. So right now I'm washing my blanket and my sheets, so I'm going to put that in that along with that, and then my like facial products and so forth. Don't mind the mess behind there. I'm getting rid of stuff in the kitchen. I'm not bringing any food and those stuff, so I have to buy. Yeah, but I just want to update you, you know, as it relates to packing.
Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. On the radio with you, just can't be without you, baby. Hey.
If somebody they want to pack something, you want to come tell me bye. What do you mean you're not going?
Not tonight, me I go.
Yeah, but what are you going tomorrow morning?
9 o'clock.
Exactly. Eh? If you ever poop. Eh? Imagine. Yeah, me I go put your palm blast. Imagine me and you work hard season, winter, falls, spring, summer. Are you just did I go left me, sir? Then I say you treat me? Eh? 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 It's all good. Hey, you know how much time somebody come knock you door, I think I hear me a set camera. Set camera, you know? I mean, it's alright, Ashley, I can go to me by now. Eh? No, Ashley?
I just done work.
Just done work? Yeah. Done work what? Rosie?
No, sir. Right in my eye. Right in my eye.
It smells nice. You have one, how can I perfume you have the same one? I have a purple one. Anyway, Ashley's leaving us. This is the last of Ashley. Unless you can come on the live sometime, you know?
Just send me links.
Tell the people them bye.
Bye.
Just so. Just so.
Peace, love, and cocoa bread.
Right, Louise?
Right.
Everybody gone, come give you a
Guys, I'm not going to see me on the live them, so now we're on ourselves.
How about yourself looks too?
I liked it in my eye.
Oh,
So guys, No, I got some funny live them, so no. Worry on yourself. See me? Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, we see you too.
Yeah.
Actually leaving, so I'm going to go and tell her bye. Dishes. You're packing bus already?
You're no longer in your hometown, dog.
No. You're packing bus already?
Bus not come yet.
So yeah. Oh, you can't come.
Yeah, we can.
You can't. Nice. So what cafe you going so? You didn't mind the shoes they fantastic?
Yeah.
I will never see it.
Yeah, sure.
Which day?
Yeah. I'm not going to be in your hometown.
You look nice.
Thank you.
I thought you must look so nice. Can you even do work though?
Oh. Guys, I'm no longer in our hometown.
You so leave too.
Perfect.
You look nice.
Thank you. You change too long though. I'm going to fix it.
What is that say? Savage. So why you think savage? You savage?
I know this my DY for now. I'm in here, my DY. So
you know what put your
guys,
name?
it's been a pleasure. But you know say, look at me going to go Ghana for
You read that?
channel. You see me? Yeah, I'm not going to want to better.
No fall, I blessing. You
Yeah.
see, you don't fall.
Better.
You're not for leaving it. You can't come with me.
You can't come with me.
Don't damn me. You can't come with me.
Next year, I go to see you.
You can't come home.
Me can't come home.
I don't lashes.
Yeah.
The little though. It's small.
Yeah, shut on me. Shut on
It's
me.
nice.
Thank you.
So you couldn't go to the road.
No, but I find it funny.
Alright. Anybody come up there and tell say,
No, me a
say
friend
Paul
already.
there. Paul, ready for you?
Say no, me a friend already.
Alright.
No, no.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave.
You know, I'm kind of hometown.
Don't leave me. Don't leave. Don't leave.
Come. All right. All the best.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you leave money, right?
Okay. Yeah, Monday.
Save
You
time.
see the baby about. That's why I help you. Matchy, roommate match. Matchy. What? Why? Oh, look at them, they're leaving us. A Jamaican alone, bags and pants. And Islam more in it. Look at them, they're leaving. Oh man. The thing is now we knew that this day would come. And you know, for when me and Tara say, yo, you can't have to go mean, but because, I'm on my car. But because she left her stuff in Maine, so she had to go back. And I don't want to go to Maine. Because housekeeping, I don't want to know housekeeping. I know housekeeping is not my thing. But we definitely going to come. I'll keep a link. Anytime we go live, when we go live, I'll send her the link. If me go live. Because you know, say, the last two live, she pushed me. But, Ashley, I pulled upon me my heartstring. Like, Ashley is one of the best person I ever work with. Not like best person ever. Like, me always have issue with people I work with. Not even so much those who I live with, but people who I work with. Because, you know, you have some people money hungry, or them feel like you know do this better, or it just come naturally with me and Ashley. Every week we change roles and it's just easy, and sometimes we do them we just a chat and we just understand Like it's always just understand the whole thing, you understand? Like when I rush you come off of the clock, when I rush you stay up on the clock rush. Yeah, you get me, yeah. So it's like we just have a little thing about it. And it's not even just co-workers. It's like a friendship, no, honestly. So Ashley, I put on the notes. So see you again, right? So see you again. Right.
Smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. One look in my eyes, you know I'm lying, lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gon' love like this again. You were made for me, just for me. Said you were made for me, only for me. You were made for me. Oh yeah, you were made for me. It ain't every day that I get in my feelings this way. I knew it was rare, 'cause before you I never did care. Don't know what I would do if I had to go on without you. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you can.
So I just did my nails, and one can't tell me say me never get this done at the salon. Look at this. Eh? Look at this. Like look at this. Look at this. They can't tell me say me never get this done at the salon. So yeah, that's how it's looking close up. You know, so the anya are me right hand, and me can't use my left hand. Yeah, so if you see no flaws, yeah, that's this why. But look at that. Yeah, and I feel like that one look better. Like look at that. Look at it. Guys, I use this what do you call it, this glue. They said that this is like one of the strongest. It's all over TikTok, so I use this. And the reason why I'm doing my nails now is because I want to finish packing, and these stuff are outside, and now that I finish using them I can pack them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of the boxes and put them in my little thing and pack it in my suitcase. Yeah, so talk to me. Hey, and you can book me now. Look at the little detail. Ready? And you can book me. Guys, I think that I'm going to get my last shower of snow. Alright, so today is what today is? Today is Saturday. Yeah, and it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing. Can you believe that it's snowing? And where I'm going, I don't think it snows. But let's just look outside. Like, look at the big drops of snow outside. It literally just starts snowing. And let me tell you the time now. It is 5:25, and we're gonna see if the place get white. Like it's already looking white. Like it literally just starts snowing, and it's super big. If you look, you see, it's like ice falling. It's not even snow, it's ice. But now it seems like it's raining. It doesn't look like it's snowing anymore. It's like it's just raining now. So that's that. Let's see the place will get white because it's just dripping some big snow balls. Yeah, I don't know what to feel like because after tomorrow I only have that day. And guys, I'm sleeping in the airport. I'm just gonna, so this vlog is gonna finish when I leave here, like moving on, leave here, right, and enter into the airport, and then I'll pick up back with a new vlog at the airport. Okay. The beaver is running. Ah, the beaver is running. That's where they live. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna stay in the airport overnight. So I don't know. Maybe I'll vlog, or not vlog, but maybe I'll go live or something, just for you guys to keep me company. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to do my hair because I thought about it, right? So I did my nails earlier today, and now I'm doing my hair because I was thinking tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is the only full day that I have to get things done. I still have stuff to pack, and because I have to do my hair and I had to do my nails and the stuff was out, I want to just get these out of the way so that I can pack my suitcase tonight, and then tomorrow I can just clean and throw whatever need to be thrown away. Yeah, and then just get my final preparation, and then Monday now we come and we go to security and drop off the box and do the final checkout, and then Monday night I'm out of here. So I just feel like, you know, I just need to do my my hair right now. So the thing is, I packed everything. And I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna pack everything, and I put out everything and I still managed to pack everything. So I packed a comb. So the only comb that I find is this piece of old comb. I have glue on it already. And then I also packed the ball cap, the stocking cap thing. So right now I'm just gonna put it on my head, hope say stay. And remember, I'm no pro at this. I'm not no pro. So I'm just gonna do that. I was planning to go live, but I was like, you know what, I don't want this distraction. Yeah, I don't want distraction, so I'm gonna do what I have to do. So the hair is here. This is the, and then I even packed my foundation, everything in the box, not even in the suitcase, not in the box. So this is the hair. As I showed you before, it is nice and silky. All right, so this is what I'll be wearing. The quality is really nice, really nice, really nice. I can't even put makeup. So that is that. Luckily I had the tint spray, and this is what I put on the hair, and it seems to match my skin. It better do, because I don't have any foundation. No, I don't even have the thing to put. I don't even have the thing to put in. Oh Jesus, I don't know how this is going to work. And I already packed the hair. So this definitely have to work. I don't have any foundation for hair. It have to work. It have to work. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do this parting so that I can put the part of the hair in my scalp so that you can actually have the illusion of the concealer. This is the best I can do. Just put it right there. So it may not centered, but we're gonna have to do what we have. Listen, I did my hair the other day, so nobody watch the cameras, okay? I did the hair the other day. So I put the part here so that the parting of the wig can just drop right here so and give me the illusion of my hair being part and concealed. So listen, I'm gonna go in with the the lace glue and put it along the perimeter right here. So like guys, if you realize, my hair come down all the way to right here, so, and this is my eyebrow, the hair is right here. So I don't know, so I'm gonna try to put it outside because I don't want to put it on my edge. Alright, put it out there. So that is that, and the wig is not so tight. Listen, Listen, just have to just make it work. You just have to make it work. Sorry, this is so ghetto. Why before all of this, before people know this, that's how they used to do it, so leave me alone.
This one I got do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba.
Right now I'm just gonna make it melt and then flat iron my hair. Like, I like this, I really like it. And then flat iron it, and then I cut this off after. Look, I don't even have the concealer for hair, but we're gonna make it work.
I know fit, dive or not. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, I know what I know fit, dive or not. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they tell them, ride with I know fit, dive or not. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they tell them, ride with me. I know, I thought now.
Listen, this is the hair, guys. This is the hair. Can't talk to me. Like, look at that. What lace coming from the scalp? Like, what you talking about? You can't talk to me. Hot girl era. Yeah, I'm gonna be hot girl era now, you know, summertime. I feel like I'm gonna keep rocking some wigs now because right now I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, like this little drop right here, so. Can't talk to me. Who you talk to? I know me. Can't you talk to? Like, talk to me nice. Talk to me. Look, all done. But listen, I don't have any concealer to do this right here, so because I pack up everything. But girl look good same way. Girl here look good same way. Coming from the scalp, like what lace? Yeah. And right now me I sweat, so me need to like look there. Yeah. And talk up to me nice. Like feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I don't know. You are not supposed to see that side of me. Yeah, I'm a distant young little girl. Young big girl. A distant young big girl. Yeah. So let me go back in a character. Why? Alright. So I'm just gonna tie this down and just get ready for bed to tidy up the place. Yeah, I did all this by myself today. No, you just like get my money. Matter of fact, me I don't go take people money because me hairdresser, I'm a nail tech, I'm a facialist, yeah, everything is, yeah. Anyway, you know what? Let me go tie down my hair before I start lift up. Even though you know I lift up still, but you know, me I sweat and me no want, cause me never really melt it properly. You know, melt good yet. So I'm just gonna finish melting it, and yeah, tidy up the place. So that's it for tonight, guys. Tomorrow, I got everything done now. Probably tonight, we can just do my final packing, pack everything, and then tomorrow I just clean. Dash for dash and clean tomorrow. That is what I think I'm gonna do. Yeah. So even if I catch up my hair, like I have to put up these pepper green here, yeah. But catch it up and go like this and drop this. Still look good. I wish me did leave out my makeup. Wish me never put it in the box. Wish me put it in my suitcase. But no, girl, put it in a box. Wish I put myself in the box. That much I do. Anyway, tomorrow, okay? Oh, guys, I just... Hey, I am so bad at this. I just remember that I'm vlogging the process. So, the security just came from the box. They literally just come and pick it up. I didn't have to do anything. You see, that is why it's good to talk to people and to be nice and kind, because people do things for you. So all I did was I went on the internet. I think they're gonna pass by. That's why I'm here, because I'm trying to see if I see them so I can show you the security passing by with the box. So they're taking the box to the loading dock, so when UPS come, they can scan it and take it. So yeah. So I paid for it online, and I went on to UPS and I went on to send the package, and then I put in the details of the box and the weight and everything. I did an estimate. So I did one for £50. Let me show you. There they are. There they're passing. My box is gone. Yeah, that's what they. So yeah, I did one for £50 and then I did one for overweight. I did an estimate, and £50 is normally like a base price, and once it's over and it's not to over £90, you get another set rate. So I did one for overweight and I did one for £50, and then I fill in the information, where it's going, where it's coming from, and I paid online. Now when I was coming from Mandarin, I didn't see the option to pay online, but this time around I see the option. And then when I was in Virginia, I saw the option, and I guess it all depends on the website that you're using. So this, I use UPS, and I spent $190 to send 2 boxes. Now listen, I did an estimate, so let's see if they're gonna take it. Okay, let's see if they're gonna take it. So I am all set for today. I just need to put the final stuff in my suitcase, and that's it. Yeah, I'm all set. I gave away all the food and the stuff that's here. I'm leaving the pots. The only thing that's out is like stuff to shower and, you know, to TV it up and everything. So I'm leaving here tonight at 10 o'clock. And I'll be going to the airport, and I'll be staying in the airport, and I'm going to go live on TikTok, right, while I'm there, since I have nothing to do. So I'm going to spend today, like the rest of the day, and probably just rest, because I know I'm not going to be able to sleep in the airport. So I'm just going to spend the rest of the day and rest, and then get ready and leave. So that's that. Let's take a final look at the place. So that's my suitcase. That's my jacket. That I'm going to wear. That's my hand luggage. It has my, you know, cups and my, you know, stuff. but I can carry on the plane. My laptop, I'm going to put my tablet in here, and my camera is also in here. The reason why I put this in here, because I was like, I don't want to leave it. Maybe if I reach and I want to do whatever. And then I have my carry-on. It does have basic stuff like my tripod. I'm going to put this in there. I feel like I should even wear this, but so it go. And then I'm also going to put that in my carry-on, because it's just like pimento, curry, and cinnamon stuff that I may need. This is just my everyday makeup thing. I need that, and that is like toiletry stuff. I'm gonna get rid of these because I can get that back in Walmart. In here, all of this is gonna throw away. I may just keep this. Right, and these are going in my carry-on, my hand luggage. Everything else is gonna throw away like this. I only have one, so I only have one. I'm down to the last one. So, well, I only have two, so I can put that in my bag or something like that. This, I already have whatever, but I'm gonna throw this away. Nothing is really in this, so it doesn't even make sense. I'm going to use this and then maybe bring that in my carry-on, and then those stuff. So yeah, and then in here, I may put the lotion in my suitcase, I don't know. And then that is going in my hand luggage, but that's it for here. That's it. So I think I'm pretty good. I need to throw away the garbage, and that's it. So I'm gonna say bye-bye later. Like, this place has been one of the best places I've stayed, and yeah, I wouldn't change. Like, I wish I was going into something like this, because I have mentally adjust to live in, like, I'm living in a real house. I know I have to go back into like a cubicle. I'm not really sure what it looks like, but let's see. Yeah, so that's just a quick update for today. Tonight we're going to New York, and then I'm just gonna close it off and start a new one. Yes, guys, so I am ready. This is the last day and the last time you'll see me in this mirror, even though you never really see me much in this mirror. But this is the last time you'll see me in this house, and we're on to something. I don't know if it's better, but the money will be better. I know that for sure. But as it relates to the living condition, I don't know. But yeah, this is the fit. I actually wore this when I was coming up. Like, the first time I was coming up in 2021. Just the suit. But the sneakers is new, because that I got that from when I was in Miami. But yeah, I think it actually looks better now. I have like a bit more hips. My hips not lying, My hips not lying. But anyway, I don't wear glasses, but this is a computer glass, because I'll be before the computer, and I just wear it, and I'm trying to protect my eyes, because we have good eyes already, so I have to protect what is good. Yeah, but practically done everything, throw everything, and just waiting. And I know the time. You don't want to know the time. I practically have 2 hours left for they come pick me up, because they come in 10:30 and right now it's 8:30. Listen, I have like the garbage needs to go out, and I still have editing to do. I don't want to rush, so I was like, you know what? And I actually got a little sleep in the day, so I guess that's why I just get up and just get ready, because yeah. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright, this is it. I'm coming out. Bye bye. Alright, so guys, I'm almost at the airport. Stopped to have McDonald's because I may not be able to check in, and I have a sandwich just in case if I fall hungry. But yeah, I'm almost out of Vermont. My flight is 9, as I said. But when I reach the airport, I pick up back with you, okay? I reached the airport and I am like literally sitting down, comfortable. I'm going to do some editing. Guys, I am so proud of myself, like honestly, and maybe it's because you see, this is why those not working have better advantage over us now, because they can just focus on editing and making content and so forth. Because I stopped working Thursday, and let me tell you, today is, well, right now it's Tuesday because it's 1:25, but let me tell you, as of yesterday, Monday, I literally edited all of my videos up until this morning, which is Monday morning, right? And now I'm just gonna continue with this, put this clip in, so you guys have, I don't know if I'm going to release 2 videos, but I'm gonna like end this video like right here and start off a new one and just keep it going, because yes, now I'm at the airport. It is so dead. Let me show you. It is so dead. Look, I'm on there, right? They start asleep, and then yeah, some people around there, so like behind that. But this is the airport. Like, I think I should get up and make some content, some airport content, because I never did that before. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself because I edit everything up until this part. And as I said, you might get 2 videos. I don't know, or I might just keep one in the back because I don't know what's going on. I start working Thursday and I may not have time, so I may just keep one in the back and just edit this one, upload it, and see if anything is wrong. If anything is wrong, I just fix it and you guys get it Saturday. So I'm closing off the vlog here. We are officially done with JP, and I'm here in the airport waiting for my flight. I have 2.5 hours to check in so that I can go back. Yeah, so I'm officially done with JP and moving on to another state. So thank you for rocking with me. Like I feel like I ended the vlog too early, like ended the season too early, but no, it's fine, because guess what, we have packing and everything in this, and I wanted you to see like how I pack for this season. Yeah, so stay tuned for next week, because you know that next week we're going to have like shopping. They're going to bring us shopping tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to get a lot, because I want to see where I'm going and how it's set up. And then if anything, I can just take an Uber and just go somewhere else. I don't want to buy one bag of something and then I don't have anywhere to put them, if you understand. I don't know what the kitchen's like. I don't know what the room is like. I don't know. And I like to wrap my head around that. So I have that, and we're going to get a tour of the place, house tour. Like, there's so much to look out for. So stay tuned for that. And just drop it in the comments. Say, God bless this season. God bless this season. Yeah, not only my season, but your season. And it doesn't matter if you're not a part of the H2B, any season in your life, this season in your life, God bless this season. So we're going to drop it in the comments, and we're going to believe it, and I'm going to believe it, and this season is going to be a blessed season. Okay, so thank you for staying with me. Thank you for rocking with me. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here. So join the family and let's have fun. Yeah, so hey, listen, it's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be scary. It's gonna be, I don't know what to expect, because these are new people, and I'm kind of excited, but yet still I'm still scared. Anyway, peace out.